Guys, look at this. Look at this auto clicker. Let's start cookie clicker. Clicker here. Oh, and don't mind the background. I'm just watching a show. Henry Danger. Play. Hold up. Here begins. Alright, don't mind my mom talking in the background. Beautiful, right? Let's add another one, why not, Let's change it to 40 milliseconds. Wee. Perfect. Now, in my sorta alt account, I have like 60 billion. Since I grinded for like 10 minutes. Oh my god. And yeah, see? And so if, I don't know, if I were to play, I don't know what I can play to like example it, or maybe this. Just watch. No, I'm just playing for a video, Skip it. I don't care. And then place it here, I guess. And then 30, or no, I'm not 40. Oh my god. Go here. Look at this, bro. Anyway, this auto clicker is OP. Oh my god, this is crazy. And I can just delete it. And it also works for like if you're playing 99 Nights in the Forest and you have like bunches of stews. You just put this one and put it to 5 or 6 minutes. And then the second one, you put 1 or 2 seconds if you want to not like starve to death in 99 Nights. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, I forgot to tell you. It is this auto clicker. Just look for that, Just look for some app that looks like that. Search auto clicker. Yeah, you're welcome, guys. If you're trying to survive a lot of days in an AFK base in 99 Nights.